Vanakkam, Vandanam, Namaste, Namaskar, and a very, very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Shweta Shekhar, and I will be your MC for this wonderful and exciting launch event. It is my pleasure to welcome you here this morning, and I would like to thank you on behalf of Fuji Electric for joining with us today for this special launch event. So for those of you who weren't able to join as well on time or feel like you've missed out and have people who know that they may not be able to attend, please tell them to join us on the YouTube Fuji Electric page. They can join the live channel from wherever they are. In case they're not sitting at home, they can always avail the mobile as well. So moving on to the first segment, I would like to invite Mr. Prashant Pendurkar, Associate Vice President, Channel Sales, to say a few words about our new product launch.
Thank you, Shweta. A very good morning to all of you. I would like to thank each and every one of you for being with us today. We're very pleased to be able to welcome those of you who are with us very long time, and as well as who are newly associated. Today, we are going to introduce a product which is designed specifically for channel. It is going to be our first ever UPS from Japanese company that is in India. We're very thrilled by your presence today. Please be with us for next 40 minutes to experience no power to now power.
Thank you very much, sir, for your wonderful insight. Moving right along, it is now my pleasure to introduce our guest speaker, Mr. Deena Dayalan KG, Country Head Sales, to share a few words.
Thank you, Shweta. Good morning to all. I just wanted to take this opportunity to thank all the participants for being part of this event. I hope you and your family members are fine and safe from the COVID. To move forward, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank our esteemed channel partners for being with us for all the years and extended support given to us through the toughest pandemic year, also in the past. Despite the pandemic, we have seen the robust growth in our business performance, and the demand for our energy division products are increased, especially for IT/ATS and SOGO segment. Keeping this new development, we have recently tied up with a couple of national distributors to strengthen our channel business to reach the deeper market to fulfill the demand of the consumer segment. To boost our channel business, we have developed a product which is specially designed for IT/ATS and SOGO segment, and it will be unveiled in a couple of minutes from now. Once again, on behalf of Fuji Electric, I'd like to thank you for your presence on this product launch, which is going to be the key game changer for the Fuji Electric to penetrate more stronger into the channel product business. I'm sure with all your collaborative business association, this journey is going to be more interesting to achieve our business objective together. Happy selling and thank you.
ரொம்ப நன்றி சார் உங்களோட சில வார்த்தைகளுக்காக. தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச். உங்களோட யாராவது ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் இருந்தாங்கன்னா அண்ட் அவங்க வந்து இப்போதைக்கு இங்கே லைவ் வர முடியலன்னா யூடியூப் சேனலில் ஃபியூஜி எலக்ட்ரிக் லைவ் சேனலில் இது போயிட்டுருக்கு. ஸோ நீங்கள் தயவு செஞ்சு போய் ஆக்சஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். दोस्त या यदि एक्सेस नहीं कर सकते हैं अभी और कहीं और हैं तो अपने फ़ोन से या किसी से भी किसी और तरीके से भी एक्सेस कर सकते हैं यूट्यूब लिंक को. फ्यूजी इलेक्ट्रिक लाइव पेज में यही होगा ये. So you not a problem, and you can always access it from wherever you are sitting. All right, and with no further ado, we would now move on to experience our new product and its specs. And for this segment, I would like to invite Mr. Sriram Ramakrishnan, Managing Director, to share a few words and unveil the product.
Yeah, thank you, Shweta. Dear friends, we are living in a very challenging time, but all the signs are that the future will be brighter for all of us in India. We at Fuji Electric are confident about the business potential in India, and we are investing in a big way to scale up our operations. India is a targeted growth market for Fuji Electric, which is a $9 billion Japanese multinational company. Fuji Electric is the leading UPS supplier in Japan and many countries, including in India. In India, we have over 1,000 employees, and we supply our UPS for many critical applications in hospitals, data centers, industries, metros, and airports. Our products are supported by a pan-India service network spread across over 100 locations through the length and breadth of the country. Now we are expanding our UPS range for the SOHO and retail segment to ensure customers in this segment also experience the same product reliability and service support that our business customers have been experiencing for over a decade in India. This product will also be an entry-level UPS, which will be distributed only through channel partners. And channel partners like all of you will also have access to the extensive power portfolio range of Fuji Electric. I don't want to hold you any further, so let us go ahead and unveil the new UPS product.
Move from no power to now power. With Fuji Electric, the leading Japanese UPS company, will now empower your daily lives. Empower your work life. Entertainment life. Your children's learning life. With Fuji Electric.
Oh my God, the Mini Vet looks absolutely amazing, and congratulations to Fuji Electric on behalf of everyone present here on launching this wonderful product for the usage of everyone. It's so easy. Look at it, can be carried, it's portable, it can just be moved around, and it's so sleek and beautiful. So I think it can be used in multiple purposes and situations. So inga venal use pannalam, and that's the best part about this, and it's got a crazy range. But to answer further questions, there is going to be someone important, before which I would like to thank with all my heart. Thank you, Sriram sir, for being present here and talking about the product and launching it as well. I would now like to move on to Mr. Prashant Pendurkar, who's going to come back for a product brief presentation. And right now, I ask you to put up all the questions, concerns, queries, doubts that you have in the chat box. आपको कोई doubts हैं, concerns हैं, तो अपने ये chat box पे ज़रूर लिखिएगा. आपके सवाल के उत्तर ज़रूर दी जाएंगे बाद में. And யாரெல்லாம் உங்களுக்கெல்லாம் questions இருக்கோ, உங்களுக்கு வந்து டவுட்ஸ் இருக்குது, கன்சர்ன்ஸ் இருக்குது, இந்த ப்ராடக்ட் பற்றி ஏதாவது கேட்கணும் அப்படின்னா கேள்விகளுக்கு பதில் உங்களுக்கு கண்டிப்பாக கிடைக்கும். உங்களோட சாட் பாக்ஸில் வந்து உங்களோட கொஸ்டின்ஸ் டைப் பண்ணுங்கள். இப்போதைக்கு நாங்கள் வந்து ஃபியூ கொஸ்டின்ஸ் எடுப்போம். ஆனால் ஐம் ஷோர் அந்த கொஸ்டின்ஸ் எல்லாம் ஆன்சர் பண்ணுறதுக்கு மிஸ்டர் பிரசாந்த் இருந்திருப்பார். ஆனால் எல்லா கொஸ்டின்ஸும் வி கான்ட் ஆன்சர் அட் த மோமெண்ட், பட் ப்ளீஸ் கீப் டைப்பிங் யுவர் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் ஆன் யுவர் சாட் பாக்ஸ். இட் வில் டெஃபினெட்லி பி ஆன்சர் அட் சம் பாயிண்ட். அண்ட் ஸோ மிஸ்டர் பிரசாந்த், ஐ ரிக்வெஸ்ட் யூ டு கம் பேக் அண்ட் கிவ் அ brief about the product.
Hope you like the spectacular launch of our product. And I will just take a few minutes of you to just brief about my product now. Ever shining line into UPS from the land of rising sun, that is Japan. State of art Japanese technology with consistent innovation and precision. An impressive and aesthetic inbuilt battery version of UPS and batteries. This comes with a 2 years warranty. 600 VA with 7H single battery and 1 kVA with 2 numbers of 7H batteries as an inbuilt option. This is with 3 sockets for output. The features of 3 colored lights indicate the working condition of UPS. The beeps of alarm are kept mild to ensure that they do not disturb or irritate the end customers while working. Alarm can be set as per the requirement of the end user. No alarm on battery mode, but when it reaches to the lower battery, it beeps every second. The alert allows the user to save the data. In case of overload, it alerts with the 2 beeps per second. We are introducing external battery version models, which meets the need of higher load with longer backup solutions. It is offered with a 2 years warranty on UPS as well as batteries. 1 kVA is 12-volt system and 2 kVA is a 24-volt system, which is offered with 3 and 4 sockets respectively, and designed to support long backup with a charger of a 10 ampere. Other features of the UPS remain same for a complete range. Our extensive service network is widely spread across the country. It is equipped with to support 630 districts. We can reach with 3 different easy mode of support, either by scanning QR code or by phone and WhatsApp or through email. This QR code, telephone number and email ID are mentioned on the box of UPS as well as on the product itself. Our sales and distribution partner is Ingram Micro and service partner is TVS Electronics to support you for uninterrupted business and to keep the uptime of our menu at UPS. The product will be promoted through various mediums such as brochures, posters, danglers, push and pull stickers, banners for website as well as for digital advertisement, small WhatsApp videos. We will also do a customized glow sign board for our partners. We are going to advertise in prominent magazines all across countries. This will help us to establish our brand in IT sector. Various exciting schemes will be launched at regular intervals to support you. This will enable us to improve sales through our ND. We would like to announce an introductory scheme such as buy 10 and get 1 free. We appreciate the valuable support extended by you. It has been instrumental to us at Fuji Electric. I deeply believe that with your continued support, the sales of Minivat UPS can be scaled to a greater extent. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir, for this wonderful speech and presentation. It was really nice. And what's in fact amazingly surprising is that there's a scheme for all channel partners. So for 10 products, you get a product free. And what better offer to have on this launch day? So now I've seen that there are so many people who have asked so many questions. So let's move on to the Q&A session. The very first question is from Mr. Sudhanshu from Delhi. And the question is, what is the warranty period for this UPS?
Mr. Sudhanshu, warranty period is for 2 years. That is both on UPS and batteries.
Thank you, sir. And since we have a lot of questions, I may not be able to take up a lot of them, but we move on to the second question. I'll try my best to do as many as possible. So the next question is from Mr. Palani from Chennai, and the question is, does the warranty apply on the battery as well? I repeat, does the warranty apply on the battery as well?
Yes, yes. In our case, the warranty is applied in battery also.
Thank you, sir. And we quickly move on to the third question, and this is from Mr. Krishnan from Hyderabad, and his question is, what kind of warranty is applied? Is it on-site warranty or return to bench?
Yeah, I feel very proud to say, to answer this question, is this is purely an on-site warranty. We have equipped and to have a capabilities to do on-site warranty all across India. It's completely on-site warranty.
Thank you very much, sir. And we move on to the second last question. I know we have a lot of questions, but I'm really sorry I can only pick a few. So the next question is from Mr. Pawan Singh from Kanpur, and the question is, what is the battery content in 600 VA and 1000 VA?
Yeah. In 600 VA, we have one number of 7H battery, and in 1000 VA, we have two numbers of 7H batteries.
Thank you very much, sir. And now for the final question. And this is all the way from Mumbai from Mr. Richard. And the question is there any scheme planned for the channel partners? I repeat, is there any scheme planned for the channel partners?
Yes, sure. There is a very good scheme we have come out with. That is a 10+1. You buy a 10 unit, any of our combination of 10 units of our minivat, you'll get one minivat 600 VA free. This is a very limited offer. This is just an introductory offer.
Thank you very much, sir. It was wonderful to have you here and for this wonderful presentation et al. And I'll see you, audience, again soon.
Thank you. Thank you for all of your interesting questions. I know there are many more to come, but we cannot take it up due to time constraint. But yes, please do write us, and I will see to it that personally I will revert to you. Thank you.
Pendurkar to give us the thank you note.
Thank you, Shweta.
How can I read?
Once again, on behalf of Fuji Electric, I would like each one of you to be a part of this event. Hope you enjoyed the show. We also want to convey our sincere appreciation for the event organizer as well as our national distributor Ingram Micro for making this event successful. We couldn't have done it without you. Once again, I would like to thank each one of you for sparing your valuable time with us. Thank you once again. Thank you very much.
So much people for joining with us today. It was a super crisp, super amazing event. We had the beautiful launch of a minivet, and thank you so much for joining with us. May you grow in business. May you have many more projects and clients. I wish you all from the bottom of my heart, and let us together join hands and overcome this crazy pandemic, and let's all meet in person soon enough. Thank you very much. Jai Hind and